आज जो मेरी लाइफ में होने वाला है, आई कैन नॉट इमेजिन दिस. टुडे आई एम गोइंग फॉर द फर्स्ट एप्पल इवेंट इन माई लाइफ. मैं बचपन से ही एप्पल के इवेंट्स देखता था एवरी सिंगल ईयर. 2021 में आई गॉट माई वेरी फर्स्ट मैकबुक. 2022 में आई गॉट माई वेरी फर्स्ट आईफोन विच वॉज iPhone 13. एंड 2024 में आज मैं एप्पल इवेंट में जा रहा हूँ एंड दैट जस्ट ब्लोज माई माइंड. दिस इज द आउटफिट दैट वी हैव. वेरी टेक गीकी आउटफिट विद दिस बैग. हम जा रहे हैं फॉर ब्रेकफास्ट. लेट्स एक्चुअली क्विकली लीव. We are here at the place. Vishal, are you excited?
Oh yes.
Okay, this is the breakfast. I'm pure veg, so I'll probably just get these and then we'll go. So this is the breakfast that we are having. Guys, I wanted to meet someone that I have watched a lot. This is Arun.
Coffee.
How are you doing there, bro?
I'm actually surprisingly awake, to be honest. These events are always very difficult for time lag.
You know, I love your tech reviews, but the one video that I loved the most was the speech that you gave at your wedding. That
really
one,
watched
that one got me teared up. Like I was literally crying watching that.
Damn, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that was actually harder than I could communicate in the video because you can't retime a drone show once it's taken off.
You took the charm from Apple by creating the biggest iPhone in the video that you made. आज हमारे साथ हैं गौरव सर फ्रॉम टेक्निकल गुरुजी. कैसे हैं आप?
मैं एकदम बढ़िया हूँ. इनफैक्ट फ्रॉम नहीं, मैं ही टेक्निकल गुरुजी.
आप ही टेक्निकल गुरुजी हो, फ्रॉम टेक्निकल गुरुजी नहीं. मुझको ना ऐसे कॉल आते हैं ब्रांड से कि आप ईशान हो फ्रॉम ईशान शर्मा यूट्यूब चैनल. ऐसा लगता है वो मिठाई भंडार नहीं होता.
एग्जैक्टली. आई एम दैट अग्रवाल फ्रॉम अग्रवाल स्वीट्स.
आप कहाँ से अप्लाई करें?
आई केम फ्रॉम दुबई और उससे पहले आई वाज इन फ्रैंकफर्ट फॉर समथिंग एंड आई जस्ट चेंज लाइक क्विक प्लेन्स इन बिटवीन दुबई में और या मतलब एप्पल के लिए
एमिरेट्स फर्स्ट क्लास एज ऑलवेज.
एंड एप्पल के लिए तो बेसिकली दुनिया में कहीं पे भी होते हो ना, मतलब ऑल द वेज आर ऑलवेज डायरेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स कुपर्टिनो. तो मैं कहीं भी रहता तो मैं सीधा आना ही था मतलब मुझे.
सही बात है सर. आपका कंसिस्टेंसी से मैं बहुत मोटिवेट हुआ हूँ. पिछले 4 साल से आई हैव बीन डूइंग यूट्यूब एंड आई मेड अ प्रॉमिस टू माई सेल्फ कि हर 2 दिन में आई विल अपलोड 1 यूट्यूब वीडियो एंड दैट इज हाउ आई गॉट टू 1.5 मिलियन सब्सक्राइबर्स एंड 1500 वीडियोस डालने के बाद. सो आई हैव लर्नड इट फ्रॉम यू. थैंक यू.
Just keep on going, you know, just keep on pushing, just like, you know, chase the limits.
Yeah.
आज कम है, कल ज़्यादा है, but just keep on hitting the, you know, targets and eventually you will break it and you will just
Absolutely.
cross past it.
Let's say it together. 3,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
1. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. आयुष, ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को कि हम लोग ऐसे स्कूल के टाइम में आ गए हैं वापस से.
स्कूल बैग
बस
स्कूल बैग भी तैयार है.
एप्पल स्कूल जा रहे हैं.
शेव भी करते, बाल भी काट लिए सब. टीचर कुछ बोल भी नहीं सकता.
टीचर कुछ नहीं बोला. टिम स्मिथ कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. So now we are boarding the bus. अंशुका के साथ हम पार्टी करने जा रहे हैं. पार्टी के पासेस मिल गए हैं. क्या कर रहे हो लोग? ये मेरी ऑडियंस बोलेगी आप तो ज्ञान पे बांटते थे, अब ये क्या कर रहे हो? The giant Apple Park right there. Okay, this is the Steve Jobs Theater.
2 facts about this Steve Jobs Theater.
Right.
The first being, just look at the roof.
The roof.
And just see how it's standing on just the glass walls.
Yeah.
There is zero support. There is zero column.
Yeah.
Look at. There is no support column.
Crazy.
The second is the elevator inside.
हाँ.
It goes like
से गोल घूम के जाती है.
yes.
Oh wow.
So it's straight like a cylinder, but you enter from this side, you exit from the other side because it takes you like to, and there are no cables because just hydraulics.
Yeah.
The most expensive collection of Apple products under one roof. If you try counting the number of iPhones,
And then
the
you'll see
watches
an even more expensive collection in your video. Gold wala. They have all of these sweets for breakfast. Okay, it is time. Justine.
Let's get.
Apple Sheeps Unite. He's got the original iPhone. Look at that. ठीक है, इवेंट हो गया है. इवेंट इज डन. नाउ वी आर हेडेड टू द डेमो जोन. लेट्स गो एंड ट्राई आउट द न्यू iPhone 16 Pros and Pro Max. Here we have the latest iPhone 16 Pro with the new titanium color. It has this camera control that you can see over here. One press, you open it up, one press, it clicks a picture, and you can also change by just sliding your finger on it like you can see right now. So one of my favorite features over here is the 4K 120 that you can see over here. 4K 120, which is going to give you the cinematic slow motion. That is what I love about the latest iPhone. When was the the Steve Jobs Theater built? So as you can see, it is more improved. It is better when you're talking with Siri as well. ठीक है, मैंने अपनी real life कर दी है, which is going to be the first impressions of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. You can see right here. We're done with this. Now let's go and explore the other things that we have. आइए पूछते हैं गौरव सर, कैसा लगा आपको पूरा इवेंट, क्या मजा आया?
All is good, यार. All is fun. I mean, to be present at the Steve Jobs Theater itself is a big thing. And जब भी यहाँ पे आते हैं, we always come here for something new. This time it was all the new products, from the watch to the AirPods to of course the iPhone. My favorite pick, to be honest, two main things. One is of course the camera control, and second thing is the 4K 120 now.
Okay, that was the event. Now I'm headed for some light snacks. So this is the iconic Steve Jobs Theater that you can see right here. Let's go get some food. So ये हमने लिया थोड़ा सा वेजिटेरियन खाना. This is what this place looks like. Another thing that you should check out are these really cool t-shirts that you have in the visitor center. I'm gonna get some of these as well for my future generations. I kid. एक और चीज़ that you should check out are these Apple pens. So you've seen Apple Pencil, but did you know that Apple also has this interesting merch called as the Apple Pen for $35? So these are the OG t-shirts that you can get for yourself. I have one of this one, which I bought when I first visited the visitor center, but these look incredible. So one thing that you cannot try out in Indian Apple stores is the Apple Vision Pro that you can see right here. But you can try them out if you're outside of India in any Apple store right here. Guys, I am today with Aditi and Siddharth. How has the journey been after Hiramandi?
After Hiramandi, my life has completely changed. How's journey been after Apple keynote? Ask us this.
Marquez, what are you the most excited about from the event?
The black Apple Watch.
The black Apple Watch, jet black.
Yeah.
Did you try the noise cancelling on the AirPods 4?
No, I didn't get to try it.
I like that a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much for all the videos. I've been watching yours since 2011-12.
Very nice. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. अब मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने होटल to edit this video and get it out for you as soon as possible. अभी आधी रात हो रही है इंडिया में, but I hope सुबह I am able to upload this video. Thank you so much for watching till the very end. These were all the people I met, all the experiences I had. It was amazing. Thank you so much for Apple for inviting me to this event in Cupertino, California. I'll be back here soon. Thank you so much for watching. Share this video with a friend and let me know in the comment section what is your favorite announcement from the whole Apple event. And सबसे अच्छी चीज़ क्या लगी from this vlog? Let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Pro.
Here is a Pro.
You said Pro Max.
Pro Max. Okay, here we have the latest iPhone 15.
That's alright.
इतना excitement हो गया है.